Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be solving problem number 48 of LeetCode, that is rotate the image. So to begin with the problem statement, we are given an n cross n 2D matrix representing an image. We have to rotate the image by 90 degree in a clockwise manner. For example, 1, 2, 3, it is the first row. After rotation, it should become the last column. Similarly, second row should become second column and the last row should become the first column. In this manner, this image is rotated in a clockwise direction. So basically, one basic approach to solve this problem will be that we can take a separate matrix of n cross n size and we can correspondingly copy the rows in the corresponding columns in the newly allocated space. For example, this first row will be copied to the last column and similarly the rest of rows will be copied to their corresponding columns. But the problem statement also says that we do not have to include or allocate extra space to solve this problem. So upon some careful observation, it is quite evident that we can carry out this transformation, the 2D transformation, in the two-step process. So let us take this very example of 3 cross 3 size. So let's say our given matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now first what we will do is we will transpose the above matrix. In transpose, basically we are swapping the block of address ij to the block of ji. This is the procedure for transposing. As you can see, the address of this two, it is 0th row and first column, so it will be swapped with this 4 because the address is 1, 0 in this case. So basically during transposition, all the blocks with address ij will be swapped with all the boxes or the blocks with the address ji. If we apply transposition on this matrix, we will get this matrix 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. After this transposition is complete, what we all need to do is just simply reverse all the rows. After reversing all the rows, the final obtained matrix will be the clockwise transformation of the given matrix. So let's code this problem. Okay, so our first process is to perform the transposition. So let's say we have to take the size and put it inside a variable n. Since it is an n cross n matrix, the rows and column will be same. So we'll simply loop over this matrix. Now we'll write the command for swapping. For swapping, we will write swap matrix ij with matrix ji. The reason that I have not iterated this loop till n is because if I had done so, the swapping will get reversed. Means we will get the original matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically what is happening is after I have swapped a pair ij with ji, I cannot again swap it when I go to jth row and ith column, because then the swapping will occur 2 times and we will get the original matrix from where we had started. So that's why we will run this loop, the jth loop, from 0 to I minus 1 only. So after this loop, these two nested loops is ended. The matrix is now has been transposed. Now we will simply write the code for reversal. Basically reversal of all rows. So again we will iterate through the matrix. For each corresponding row we will write j is equal to 0, j less than n by 2. It is a simple procedure for reversing a particular row. Now we will swap matrix ij with matrix I n minus 1 minus j. So in this manner, the first element in each row will be swapped with the last element in each row, and similarly all the row will get reversed at the end of this loop, and after the end of this outer loop all the rows will get reversed. And since we do not have to return anything, so our code is complete. Let's run it. So it is giving a right answer on the test case. Let's submit it. Okay, so the code is perfectly fine. Thank you.